Alright folks, good morning. It's Monday, the 5th of May 2025. It's a rainy day in Georgia. So the song say. I'm actually in Connecticut. Yes. So guess it's time for me to go home. So if you don't mind driving with me. Thank you, Mr. Truck Driver. I have so many projects to get done as well. This is a blessing. Plants need the rain. Animals and us needs the rain. Keep our bodies hydrated. Yes, Ariba. So I'm just leaving Lowe's. Turning on to Granby Street and running into traffic congestion. Safely through. God's brought us on our way. Let us now a blessing see, waiting in His courts today. Day of all the week the best, emblem of eternal rest. Day of all the week the best, emblem of eternal rest. We're in Jamaica now. Cooking up a storm. Once the rain starts falling, the pot has to go on the fire. Some ackee and dumpling or something else. Yes, sir, Baba. Inside, in these side streets, get up and home a little bit faster. What time is it? It's already 10:15. Shalili, till every foe is vanquished and Christ is Lord indeed. Oh God, the gospel cometh, lights, vehicle lights appear to be flashing. They are not. So must be the effect of the lens of the camera. A few months ago, these trees were all bare of their leaves. No leaves, no sticks standing there. Look at them now. It's like a forest. Mother Nature is marvelous. Nice, beautiful scene. The kids are at school over there. That's achievement first. Right across here we have the Faith Adventist Church. Right over there. Scary. Roadkill. Oh. Yes, sirree. Jesus keeps me near the cross. There a precious fountain, free to all a healing stream, flows from Calvary's mountain. In the cross, be my glory ever, till my absent soul shall find rest beyond the river. In the cross, be my glory ever, till my raptured soul shall find rest beyond the river. And take plastic off that elevated garden box and allow those plants to get some of this marvelous rainwater, which is the best water for your plants. The rainwater, folks. The rainwater is the best. Always allow your plants to get rainwater when the rain is falling. No matter how yes, your plant dried up, or they are like withering away. When you give them some rainwater.